Well-known businessman shot dead in Gunmen, St. Andrew. Man shot dead in wholesale establishment on Red Hills Road. Businessman murdered in Palmer's Cross, Clarendon. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A well-known businessman from Gunmen in St. Andrew was shot and killed by gunmen in the community on Sunday morning. His wife was also shot and injured in the attack. The deceased has been identified as Peter Green. Preliminary reports are that about 8 a.m., men on a motorcycle went onto the business premises and opened fire, hitting both Green and his wife. The shooter then escaped from the scene. The couple was taken to the hospital where Green succumbed to his injuries. A man was shot dead on Red Hills Road in St. Andrew shortly after 8 p.m. on Saturday night. He has been identified as 24-year-old Jamal Taylor from a Park Lane address off Red Hills Road. It is reported that the man was in a wholesale establishment on Red Hills Road near Park Lane when he was approached by men who shot him multiple times. He was rushed to the hospital by a resident but was pronounced dead at the medical facility. The police are investigating the incident. A businessman was gunned down along Mark Corner in Palmer's Cross, Clarendon on Sunday night. He has been identified as 40-year-old O'Neill Rooms, also known as D, of Kennedy Lane in Palmer's Cross. Police reports have stated that about 8 p.m., Rooms was sitting on a wall in front of his shop eating ice cream when he was pounced upon by men on foot armed with handguns. Rooms reportedly ran and was chased by the men who opened gunfire, hitting him in the head and upper body. He died on the spot, the police stated.